Hello everyone, the purpose of our video today is to show you how to get into Khan Academy for the first time. So from our Schoology page, which I showed you in our previous video, you're going to go all the way down here on the bottom where it says Math, and you're going to click on this link to join Khan Academy. So again, see where it switches from a cursor to a hand, you'll just click on that. And then this is our class code, so I would write this down somewhere. So PS3VBUD7. And it's going to take you to this page right here, and you're going to go up here and you're going to click on sign up. And then it's going to ask you what you are. So you're a learner here, so you click learner and then you'll enter your birthday. So I will enter my birthday. So okay. And then right here it's going to say enter a class code. So we're going to go ahead and enter that code that we have. And then so our class code again was PS3VBUD7, and you're just going to click add. And then it's going to say your class, and then we're going to log into your existing account. So click that, and then continue with Google. And then it will bring you up to this other page where it'll ask you which account you want to use. And then I'm just going to use my regular old Gmail account. So allow, and then it should bring us to our main page. Say welcome, we're going to say onward, and then we may have to join the class again. Enter the code one more time, PS3VBUD7. We're going to join this class. And it says we'll have successfully joined. And if everything worked out well, we're going to choose the grade. So you're in third grade. We're going to continue. Third grade, continue with just that one course. And then we're going to go ahead and start. So this one says Introduction to Multiplication. I do actually want us to find quadrilaterals. So I'll make sure that that is in there and ready for everybody to go. But you can also work on other things. I will assign specific content, and then you can practice other things at your leisure. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Class Dojo or email me at tinhelder2@cherrycreekschools.org.